Now let's come back to the playing position and get our left hand situated. Comfortably, all the fingers relaxed. Pluck these 5 notes with me. D, E, F sharp, G, and A. Let's try that one more time. 3, 4. Good. Now these notes can be played on one string as well by shifting, like this. To shift, we want to play the first 3 notes, D, E, F sharp. Now relax the hands and the finger, and move the hand down the neck and the fingerboard until the first finger is playing a G. Your first finger should match the open G. Let's try this together. Shifting up the D string, let's play these 5 notes. 3, 4. Good. Notice how when I shift, my arm remains at a relaxed angle. My wrist isn't getting bent. My shoulder isn't coming up or going too far down. Everything moves very relaxed. Let's try that one more time. 3, 4. Good. Now let's play a tune using that. Let's play Lightly Row, first pizzicato together, or plucking. And in the 3rd bar, I want you to shift up the D string when it's moving scalar, so that you're moving up the D string to 3rd position and playing the G natural with the 1st finger and an A with the 4th finger. In bar 5, move back to 1st position and play the rest of the song there. I'll count you in. Let's play it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now let's do it with the bow. First, we'll do it with a staccato stroke, or short, pointed notes with space between them. And then the second time through, we'll do it with a legato stroke, long and connected, so every note is connected to the next. So let's play it together. First staccato, and then legato. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now, together, let's do it one more time, legato, long and connected. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we shift to the third position on the bass.